Leading in innovative breakthroughs, Storm is a ready-to-use anticoagulant rat bait containing flucomorphin, a second-generation rodenticide. Delivering a lethal dose in a single feed, it eliminates rodent infestations faster than multiple rodenticide feed baits, saving time, labor, and money. Storm is formulated as a highly palatable crushed grain in a ready-to-use wax block containing 0.005% flucomorphin. Rodents eat 10% of their body weight daily. The theoretical amount of bait required to deliver an acute oral lethal dose represents a small proportion of 10% or less of rodents' daily food consumption. Rodents ingest a lethal dose from Storm in less than a single day's food consumption, making Storm an effective single-feed rodenticide. Anticoagulants work by interrupting the vitamin K cycle, inhibiting the formation of blood clots. As a result, rodents are susceptible to severe bruising and excessive bleeding, and ultimately death. The time-to-death clock starts once a lethal amount of bait has been eaten. Deaths occur between 3 to 10 days after rodent has ingested a lethal dose. Rodents start to fall ill within 2 to 3 days. Due to Storm's delayed effect, rodent is unable to associate its illness with the bait eaten. Thus, bait shyness is prevented. Pulse baiting with Storm's single feed necessitates less baits, resulting in less wastage and lower risk of secondary poisoning. In pulse baiting, one block of bait is applied on each tree at a set interval of 7 days until consumption falls to 20%. The interval coincides with the period in which any rat that ingested a lethal dose would have died. Complete control is usually achieved in 21 days. Other adaptation of techniques are also applicable with Storm. In calendar baiting, 6 monthly baiting with Storm are carried out at 7-day intervals until bait consumption drops to 20%. In census baiting, census is carried out in a 20-hectare block on 10% palms of each block every 3 to 4 months. Baiting is done when census shows fresh damages on more than 5% of palm. Rodents' population is unevenly distributed. Extra baiting rounds are needed to contain heavier infestations.
BASF, the chemical company.